What's up, everybody? I want to show you guys this ESV study Bible today. This is pretty unique, and I'll show you why I say that. This edition is inserted backwards, or upside down, however you want to call it. So the cover is on backwards. Really kind of crazy. Never seen that before. A friend of mine owns this Bible, and what I'm going to end up doing is taking this cover off, and I'll have to reverse the head and tail bands with the ribbons and all. And he's donating this cover to another brother who needs a new cover for the ESV study Bible that they have. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this cover off. It's really simple. And then I'll pull the head and tail bands off, and you'll watch me do all that. So stay tuned. So to remove one of these covers, you need a sharp knife, and that's basically it. You just need a nice flat place to put this down. We'll open this up, and where you'll want to do, and I've had a couple videos about this. Well, first thing, you want to take this ribbon out. Alright, so the ribbon's out. We'll have to pull all that off anyway because they put it on the wrong end. Now you'll want to start your cut just a little off. If this is right in the hinge, you want to go just off the hinge a little bit. Now some people do it differently, but this is how I do it. And you can see this cut is off of the hinge just a little bit. And I'm going to have to go over it one more time. See, it's fully cut through here. Now, if you're going to reuse this cover, like I'm going to reuse it, I don't need to cut too heavily. I need to be really careful because I don't want to cut through the cover and ruin the cover. So I'm going to have to go really soft and easy. Alright, now I've separated this paper liner, and I'm trying to cut this reinforcement mesh. There's one side separated. You see how it exposes the back? We could actually go ahead and take this off. You'll pull this whole piece off. This whole reinforcement. Now you have your head and tail band completely removed, and the backing, that mesh backing, off the back of the text block. Now we'll flip it around. And we'll repeat the process on this side. Remember that if you're wanting to reuse this cover, be very easy and take your time when cutting. You don't want to cut through the cover. Alright, so now we have the text block completely removed and the head and tail bands removed. And whenever it comes time to reorient it, now I could reinstall all this, flip the cover around correctly. I would install a Oxford tube on the spine. I could re-glue this on in the correct fashion. Now, it wouldn't be as sturdy as redoing the full spine, but you could put an Oxford tube in, re-glue this on correctly, and put in new end sheets, and that would cover over that gap. You probably want to put a mesh going across like they did back here, but that's one way you could fix this and have it repaired. And if you like projects like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching again, and God bless.